Today we will learn about some tips and tricks of learning English. Tip 1. Master pronunciation. Discuss the importance of pronunciation and provide some tips for improving it, such as listening to native speakers, practicing phonetics, and using pronunciation apps. Tip 2. Learn vocabulary. In context, explain why learning vocabulary in context is effective and suggest methods like reading, watching English language media, and using flashcards. Tip 3. Practice speaking regularly. Emphasize the importance of speaking practice and suggest activities like joining language exchange groups, speaking with native speakers, or recording yourself speaking. Tip 4. Use language learning apps and websites. Recommend popular apps and websites for learning English, such as Duolingo, Memrise, or Anki. Tip 5. Focus on grammar patterns. Discuss common grammar patterns in English and suggest resources or exercises for practicing them. Tip 6. Immerse yourself in English. Talk about the benefits of immersing yourself in the language and suggest ways to do this, such as watching English language TV shows and movies, listening to English music, or reading English books. Tip 7. Keep a vocabulary journal. Explain the benefits of keeping a vocabulary journal and provide tips for organizing and reviewing vocabulary. Thanks for watching my video. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon.